Hi everybody, welcome to English Boost Lab, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today we're diving a super important topic, subject pronouns. We use them all the time, even without thinking about it. Words like I, you, we, he sound familiar, right? Well, by the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to use them. So take a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Okay, in the very beginning part of the lesson, let's have some definitions of subject and pronouns. Subject is someone who does an action, or subject is the thing which does an action. Also, the word or phrase which goes before the verb in a sentence can be the subject. So these are the definitions for a subject: the person or the thing that does an action. The word or phrase which begins the sentence can be the subject of a sentence. Now, let's have a definition of pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. It means we use pronouns to avoid repeating the names and nouns. So, these were some general definitions. In coming lessons, we will talk more about subject and different types of pronouns in English. Now, let's begin our today's main topic, subject pronouns in English. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, We do not use it for people. We use it just for things and sometimes for animals. They can be used for both people and things. To learn better the subject pronouns in English, watch the lesson again and repeat the subject pronouns. So thank you for being with me. Please subscribe the channel, share and like the videos, and share your opinions with us in the comment section. Wish you all the best and see you next time.